How to fix Monopoly Go not connecting to Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix Monopoly Go not connecting to Facebook. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to open your Monopoly app and then try out the connection to Facebook. And how do you connect it? By the top right corner of the screen, click on three dashes, select settings, and then use the option connect accounts. Then connect your Facebook. Mine is already connected, that's why it's displaying this. But if you cannot connect to Facebook here, what you need to do is to leave the app and then go to your Play Store to confirm if there is no recent updates on the app. Because if there's a recent update on the app, this can affect the performance of the old updates that you're using. So once you're on your Play Store, in the search box, type out the name of the app, and then if there's a recent update, you will see it next to the play icon. And another thing you can do is by clearing the cache of Monopoly. And how do you do this? By heading to your settings. And then once you're on your settings, the settings page, select app management. Then on the app management page, select app list. On the app list page, in the search applications bar, select or search for Monopoly Go. Once you've selected it, you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you see notifications, permissions, storage, and cache. All right, click on storage and cache, and then here you see clear cache, also located by the lower right corner of the screen. So once you click on clear cache, your cache will be cleared automatically. And with all this done, you should be able to connect to Facebook. All right, so these are the ways whereby you can fix Monopoly Go not connecting to Facebook. Thanks for watching.